Good afternoon, everyone. Can someone tell me whether my voice is clear? And I hope the screen is also clearly visible to all of you. Okay. So PDF you will be receiving in the course, okay, after the session will be completed, and 200 questions are, so I'll be moving a little bit faster. So let's just add any of the important detail that I think in the explanation that is important for you, I'll also tell over here as well. But हम लोग थोड़ा fast चलेंगे, 200 questions cover करके चलना है. So this first question is, Swiss Re forecast global premiums for life insurance to grow by how much percentage in real terms? What do you think is the correct answer for this? Yes, the correct answer is 0.7. Okay. Again, I'm also explaining to you that you'll be getting questions from IRDAI annual report in here. You'll be normal GA you'll be also having. GA के questions हैं इसमें IRDAI के circulars as well as annual reports से questions हैं. You will also having questions from schemes of insurance schemes से भी questions हैं, budget as well as economic survey से related भी questions. So we'll be covering everything within these top 200 circulars. तो एक बार ये doc आप पढ़ के चले जाओगे, especially for those जिन्होंने GA बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ा. But I'm hoping that all of you guys are not like that. So you can also have a look at this document afterwards. So what do you think? As per the report, US is the largest insurance market, followed by which market is at the second number? Yes, the correct answer is China. Chali. Okay, so India's rank also is important. So please remember that India's rank as per the 2022 is 10th. Chali. Now there is also a forecast with respect to India's position within the global insurance industry. So they are asking whether India's position will become 6th by what year? What is the target or what is the forecast given by Swiss Re report regarding India's insurance industry? Yes, correct. 2032. Next question. Again, as per same report, insurance penetration of life insurance sector in India is reduced from 3.2% to how much? 2022-23. Again, these are the figures that is anyways very much important. Up insurance penetration as well as density, not only India's and that too life insurance as well as general insurance, उनके भी insurance penetration density, इसके भी insurance penetration density के अलावा आप global insurance penetration और density भी करके चले, वो figures बहुत ज़्यादा important है, not only in objective but you can also utilize those figures in descriptive as well. तो उसको तो कंठस्थ कर लीजिए, तो वो तो anyways आपको benefit करेगा, ठीक है. So the correct answer is 3. So from 3.2% it has been reduced to 3%, the life insurance penetration. Now tell me, India's overall insurance penetration कितना reduce कर गया? Initially it was 4.2%. Instead of growing, the insurance penetration has been reduced from 4.2% to how much? A very easy question. Obviously everyone should know this. 4.2% से 4% तक आ चुका है ना. चलिए next question. So the insurance density in India increased from 91 US dollars to how much? कितना increase किया? Even though the penetration reduced, which is gross written premium divided by the GDP, but insurance density, gross written premium divided by the population, has increased from 91 to how much? Yes, MS, correct, 92. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next question. Now we'll go a little bit to the global aspect. So insurance penetration and density of the world were 6.8% as well as what in 2022. So the basically they're asking you insurance density. The insurance density in 2022 of the global is how much? What do you think is the correct answer for this? 7th. Again, also very much important. Again, I'm telling you that these things, apart from India, आप world का भी याद करके रखें, because that is also important. So yes, D is the correct answer. 853, 499 सब sector का है, not overall. Because if you see for the general insurance for the non-USD life segment, non-life segment होगा, it is 4% penetration as well as 499 density. But in case of overall 6.8% की penetration है and 853 is the insurance density. That means our own insurance penetration as well as density you can actually compare in your descriptive answers. जब भी आप descriptive answers में आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि इंश्योरेंस पेनिट्रेशन का स्टेटस क्या है, इंश्योरेंस पेनिट्रेशन का पोटेंशियल क्या है, या फिर इंश्योरेंस पेनिट्रेशन आप किस तरीके से बढ़ा सकते हो, तो ऑलवेज प्रोवाइड कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस, बिकॉज दैट प्रोवाइड्स अ डिफरेंट एज, दैट आल्सो शोकेस योर एनालिटिकल अप्रोच विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आंसरिंग एनी क्वेश्चन. इसमें आप ना तो केवल इंडिया का बता रहे हो, बट आप इंडिया का वर्ल्ड के कंपेयर करके बता रहे हो, so that the examiner also and you also convey to the examiner that we have huge potential with respect to increasing insurance penetration as well as increasing insurance density. तो आपको 2-3 extra points लिखने के लिए वैसे मिल जाते हैं, isn't it? So always utilize both the figures. Next is insurance. Life insurance segment constitutes how much percentage of total life insurance premium, followed by pension annuity segments. So let's check the correct answer. So C is the correct answer. 77% of the total life insurance premium. So basically अगर आप ये maths वाले calculation भी करते तो easily you could have got the right answer. Tell me which of the following state is not among the top 5 in terms of having highest percentage share of women policies to their total policies. Women policies divided by total policies. इसके बेसिस पे स्टेट्स की रैंकिंग करी गई है. तो जो टॉप 5 स्टेट्स है among the options, which of the state is not present in that top 5? What do you think is the correct answer for this? Yes, all of you are correct. The correct answer is UP. ठीक है, तो इन चारों के अलावा which other state is there? Karnataka, Kerala, Mizoram, Sikkim as well as Meghalaya. These are the 5 states in terms of highest percentage share of women policies. And obviously bottom 5 states, as you can see, Ladakh has the lowest, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, UP as well as Gujarat. So you can imagine, and these some of the figures and some of the states put here seems counterintuitive, but nevertheless please make sure that you cram these states so that in case agar state based questions aate hain which are visible in the IBPS examinations, be it NABARD or some other examination, वो state based questions पूछ रहे हैं आपसे और direct question पूछने के बजाय they are just giving you different options having different state combinations. तो वो उस basis पे you can do these questions. Sorry. चलिए next question. Which among the following are domestically systematic important insurance companies? And this is as per IRDAI. IRDAI ने किन इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज को सिस्टमैटिकली इंपॉर्टेंट इंश्योरर्स बनाया है? What do you think is the correct answer for this? 10th. Yes, correct. A is the correct answer. LIC, GIC as well as NIACL. ठीक है, so these three are the domestic systematically important insurers. Just like D, SIIs, हमारे पास D SIPs भी है. तो D SIPs भी I hope you all remember. HDFC, SBI as well as ICICI. तो इसको भी थोड़ा याद करके रखिए. Next question, out of 24 life insurers in operations during 22-23, how many companies reported profits? Yes, all of you are correct. 17 is the correct answer. Again, most of the companies were in private sector only, because LIC is the only Indian insurer underwriting life insurance business outside India and collected a total premium of 404 crores. These are also the important figures. But nevertheless, let's move on to the next question. Life insurers issued 284 lakh new policies under individual business, out of which the public sector insurer issued how much percentage of policies? ये लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज थी, उसमें से पब्लिक सेक्टर ने कितनी इशू करी? What do you think is the correct answer for 12th? The correct answer is E, 71.75%. So you can imagine how much dominant the public sector insurer is in context of life insurance, because private sector they are also mostly focusing on the profitability aspect of it. So general insurance, specifically health insurance में ये लोग ज़्यादा focus करते हैं, and apart from that motor insurance which is also a compulsory insurance, so profitability का थोड़ा scope उधर बढ़ जाता है. So that's why they are more focused on these two aspects. But nevertheless, let's move on to the next question. As of March, total paid up capital of life insurance sector stood at how much? Reflecting a 1.66% decline compared to the previous year. The correct answer is C, 34,957 crores. So basically, see, ये मैं थोड़ा आप लोगों को बोल देता हूँ कि in case I understand there is a urge to mark more questions in the examination, that's fine. अगर आप कर रहे हो, that's your call. But sometimes it do happens, especially when all the options are in numbers. Statement based होता है तो एक आध eliminate करके you can take an educated guess. But if all are the numbers and you do not even know a single hint with respect to that question, so it's better to avoid that question. बहुत high chances होते हैं आपके negative होने के, because the probability gets reduced to 1/5. तो जब भी numbers वाला scene हो, आप एक भी option eliminate ना कर पाओ, better to avoid it. चलिए, next question. The claim settlement ratio of the public sector insurer was how much percentage as of March 31st, 2023? See, the correct answer is 98.52%. But don't worry, उधर आपको इतने close नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है, don't worry. You'll get, अगर आपको याद भी है ना 98, so it will help you over there. But we just prepared for you. So that worst case scenario के लिए भी आप लोग prepare हो जाओ. तो claim settlement of public sector is 98.52 and of private insurers is 98.02. And overall industry settlement ratio is 98.45. What is the correct sequence of segment wise share in life insurance premium in 2022-23? What do you think is the correct answer? Simple सा इसमें. C is the correct answer. Life is at the top insurance scheme, then pension scheme, annuity, as well as health. चलिए, 3 public sector insurers except which company are underwriting general insurance business outside India? मतलब कौन सी कंपनी आउटसाइड इंडिया नहीं करती है? So the correct answer for this 16th question is UIIC, which is United India Insurance Company. Okay, please make sure that you remember that this company does not do or underwrite premium outside India. Mostly domestic clients को cater कर रही है. चलिए, next question. During the year 2022-23, none of the public sector general insurers paid dividends. However, some private sector general insurers paid dividends. How many were they? और सिंपल सी बात है, डिविडेंड देने के लिए आपके पास प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए, एंड एज अ रेगुलेटर दे ऑल्सो पुट रेस्ट्रिक्शंस की अगर प्रॉफिट ही नहीं है तो डिविडेंड का कोई सेंस नहीं है. तो मोस्टली प्राइवेट सेक्टर में से लोगों ने डिविडेंड दिए होंगे. तो प्लीज टेल मी हाउ मेनी प्राइवेट सेक्टर people or companies must have paid the dividend. The correct answer for this is C, which is 7 companies paid dividend. Okay, and again, none of the public sector general insurers we are talking about paid dividend. Okay, that means non-life insurance companies. Whereas 7 general private sector companies paid dividend. चलिए, next is which of the following is the largest general insurance segment in India? इसका आंसर मैं आपको बता ही चुका हूँ, but again you can also tell. सिंपल, हेल्थ इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है, मैंने आपको बताया ना कि हेल्थ सबसे पहले, फिर मोटर, फायर एंड देन मरीन. मरीन बेसिकली शिप आपकी जाती है ना एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, और फिर बीच में अगर ये सोमालियन पायरेट्स मिल जाए फिर वो लॉस कौन संभालेगा? सो दैट्स व्हाई मरीन इंश्योरेंस इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. चलिए नेक्स्ट, as of 31st March, all private sector general insurers, including the standalone health insurers, have complied with the stipulated solvency ratio of 1.50. पहले तो इसमें 150% का solvency ratio आपको पता होना चाहिए, which is 1.50 also. And apart from that, how many private sector general insurers are there as of 31st March 2023? And this is as per IRDAI annual report, तो उस हिसाब से बताना. So yes, E is the correct answer. 25 general insurance companies are there. Tell me, as of 31st March, among 55 insurers, there are how many life insurers as well as general insurers? So again, very simple. And 5 standalone. तो आप इजीली कर सकते हो ऊपर वाले से कैलकुलेट करके. ये 5 हो गए, तो दैट मीन्स ट्वेंटी फाइव रहेगा, isn't it? चलिए, now some circular questions also. As per IRDA circular, if an insurer does not appeal against the award of insurance ombudsman and does not implement the same within 30 days, a penalty of how much per day has been made payable to the complainant? What do you think is the correct answer for this? $5,000 is the correct answer. Okay, ये चीज याद रखिए. And within 30 days, this needs to be implemented. So again, these two are the values that are highly important. Please make sure you remember it. And this is 5,000 per day, not week, not 2 days or anything else. As per IRDA circular, the free look period, or what you say, the time to review the policy terms and conditions, has been extended to how many days? फ्री लुक पीरियड बेसिकली वही होता है ना कि आप इवन पॉलिसी खरीद भी लीजिए तो उसके कितने दिन तक आप चेक कर सकते हो कि वो सब ठीक ठाक है कि नहीं ठीक ठाक है, और फिर आप अपना आपको कोई डिसीजन लेना है whether you want to revert back and go back on that policy, तो कितने दिन तक आप कर सकते हो. Yes, correct. 30 days is the correct answer. C. And this is a very simple question. IRDA has released this mission insurance for all by how much? What year? A very simple question. Insurance for all by 2047. That is India at the rate 100. ठीक है, इंडिया के 100 years सेलिब्रेट करेंगे हम लोग इंश्योरेंस फॉर ऑल. So as per economic survey, insurance penetration as per is projected to grow from 3.8% to how much by financial year 35? See, again easy question. 4.3%. Next question, as per economic survey, if the life insurance corporation is excluded, over how many complaints against life insurers were about unfair business practices? A euphemism for mis-selling. ये मैंने आपको बताया था ना, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे वाला सेक्शन आपको एकदम अच्छे से करना है, ये वहीं से क्वेश्चंस है. अगर आईबीपीएस भी आपसे पूछेगा तो दे विल आस्क फ्रॉम देयर ओनली एंड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड डेटा दे विल बी आस्किंग यू. You should be prepared with respect to. What do you think is the correct answer for this 26th? Yes, 50% is the correct answer. ठीक है, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस को हटा दें, 50%. Next is economic survey. The share of insurance and pension fund assets in GDP stands at how much respectively in India? So again 19 and 5 is the correct answer. As per economic survey, health account for around how much of the non-life sector premium return in financial year 23? Health आप सबको पता है कि is the topmost sector in terms of share of gross premium return. कितना शेयर है उसका हेल्थ सेक्टर का? It's very easy to remember, है ना, हेल्थ सेक्टर का it's C, 35%. Next is as per economic survey, recently प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना achieved a milestone of generating 34.2 crore Ayushman cards. ठीक है, so this figure is anyways important apart from whatever you will be doing over here. ठीक है, तो 34.2 crore Ayushman cards were generated, with how much percentage of them held by females? Yes, very simple. 49.3% is the correct answer. ठीक है, चलिए. Next is, which of the following public sector insurance company have reported solvency ratio less than 1.5? तो इसमें तो जैसे आप एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो, LIC तो नहीं ही होगी, NIACL भी नहीं होगी, GIC भी नहीं होगी, फिर बच्चा कौन? इन दोनों में से बचे हैं, तो E विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ये तीन आपने कैसे एलिमिनेट किए? बिकॉज बिग कंपनीज दीज आर ऑल्सो डोमेस्टिकली सिस्टमैटिकली इंपॉर्टेंट भी हैं, तो एटलीस्ट इनको तो एलिमिनेट कर ही सकते हो आप. देन यू कैन टेक अ गेस, मतलब इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक आप सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो बेटर रहता है, क्योंकि प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 हो चुकी है फ्रॉम 1/5. तो UIIC इज द कंपनी जिसने सॉल्वेंसी रेशियो 1.5 मेंटेन नहीं किया है. चलिए, डू टेल मी एज ऑफ 31st March 23, the investment made by insurance industry stood at 60 lakh crores. The share of life insurance stood at how much percentage इस पूरे अमाउंट में? What do you think is the correct answer? So let's check. Somebody is saying 78, but 91 is the correct answer. Life insurers 91% उनका शेयर है in terms of investment. Next, as on March 31st, 2023, the investment made by life insurance industry, the investment of life insurance is highest, especially, and the investment is done in which particular asset class, you can say? Yes, the correct answer is A, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज, क्योंकि गिल्ट एज सिक्योरिटीज होती है, ठीक है, सबसे सेफ रहता है. 5 states namely contributed 64% of the total health insurance premium. The rest of the states have contributed remaining 36%. Which of the following is not among the top 5 states or UTs? The correct answer is D, Haryana. ठीक है, because the top 5 states UTs are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Delhi. Next is, the life insurers have covered 4.43 crore lives under social sector. That is how much percentage as against the stipulation of 5%? Yes, the correct answer is E, 17.74%. So these are the figures, anyways, highly important from IRDAI annual report. Which of the following is not correct regarding Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? Okay, again, very much important scheme, and definitely there will be few questions from Suraksha Bima Yojana as well as Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. तो आप उसको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके चलें. Please see. सिंपल सा है, इंश्योरेंस कवर शैल नॉट बी अवेलेबल ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट 30 डेज। ठीक है, तो वो जो स्टार्टिंग का टाइम पीरियड होता है विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फ्री लुक पीरियड, उसमें नहीं मिलेगा, उसके बाद मिलेगा जब आपकी पॉलिसी स्टार्ट हो जाती है। सो डी इज द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन, रेस्ट ऑल रिमेन द सेम। चलिए, फॉर दोज गेटिंग एनरोल्ड अंडर प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ड्यूरिंग द मिडल ऑफ द पॉलिसी पीरियड, पेमेंट ऑफ pro rata premium is allowed under PMJJBY for enrollment in September, October and November. The इसमें आंसर ऑलरेडी दे रखा है, बट nevertheless is the 340 is the pro rata premium. तो 342 अगर आप मिड में ज्वाइन कर रहे हो उसके लिए, बट ओवरऑल प्रीमियम इज हाउ मच? व्हाट इज द ओवरऑल प्रीमियम in Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? And also tell me about overall premium with respect to Raksha Bima Yojana. Yes, correct. 436 as well as 20. चलिए, which of the following is not correct with respect to Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana? Please see the question. Also try to eliminate them. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आप इसको पता होना चाहिए कि पार्शियल डिसेबिलिटी वाला एक सेक्शन है, एक हाथ एक पैर कटेगा तो फिर पूरे पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे, यू विल बी रिसीविंग पार्शियल अमाउंट, which is 1 lakh. But in case of death or permanent disability, you will getting 2 lakh. Next is, which of the following is correct regarding Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? Again, simple question. तो इंडेमनिटी के केस में मैक्सिमम फार्मर्स को 25% की है, नॉट 75%. ठीक है, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू रिमेंबर. Under the ESIC Act 1948, ceiling of monthly wages for person with disability is how much? Yes, the correct answer is C, 25,000. ठीक है, because normal case scenario में क्या है 21,000 and for disability it is 25,000. चलिए, which of the following has the highest shareholding in agriculture insurance company of India Limited? So the correct answer for this is A, GIC. ठीक है, एग्रीकल्चर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में सबसे biggest share is of GIC, which is 35%, then NABARD, and then the rest of the companies. Government extended the comprehensive Jan Dhan Yojana with modifications in the accidental insurance to cover. मतलब कितना रेस कर दिया एक्सीडेंटल इंश्योरेंस, which all of you guys anyways know. सुरक्षा बीमा योजना में कितना कर रखा है आपका? What is the maximum insurance? Please tell me, very easy question. Yes, 2 lakh rupees. Previously it was 1 lakh, then it was extended to 2 lakh rupees. चलिए, as per economic survey, how much percentage of beneficiaries are female under Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana as of 8 July 2024? Again, it remains the same only, which is 49%. वहाँ पर थोड़ा ज़्यादा डिटेल था, सेम ही चीज़ उठाई है इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ने IRDAI एनुअल रिपोर्ट से. As per economic survey, Jan Dhan Yojana has facilitated opening of 52.3 crore bank accounts, of which how much percentage account holders are women? Okay, yes, B is the correct answer, 55.6%. Next, the EDLI scheme provides for benefits up to how much without any contribution from employee? This question came in IFSCA mains also. So those who have given that exam must know about the correct answer for this. और जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनको भी पता होगा, the correct answer is 7 lakh rupees. ठीक है? As per section 4 of IRDAI Act, insurance regulator, which was constituted by an act of parliament, specify the composition of authority. The authority is a how many member team? A little bit static knowledge. आप लोगों ने वेबसाइट भी ओपन करी होगी तो वहाँ बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में दिखे होंगे आपको अथॉरिटी में मेंबर्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, 10 मेंबर टीम. इसमें से चेयरमैन है, 5 होल टाइम मेंबर्स, 4 पार्ट टाइम मेंबर्स. As per IRDAI, the chairperson and every other whole time member shall hold office for a term of 5 years. ठीक है, and no person shall hold office after the age of yes, correct. So C is the correct answer, 62. See, as a chairperson 65 है, as a whole time member it is 62. यहाँ पर थोड़ा mismatch. No person shall hold office as a chairperson. The chairperson के केस में the correct answer would be 65, not 62. ठीक है, as per the act. Next question, which of the following is correct regarding mission statement of IRDAI? So this is simple. To set, promote, monitor, enforce high standards of integrity. ठीक है, तो इसमें भी E ऑप्शन आएगा, नॉट सी. Next question, section 14 lays down the duty, power and functions of IRDA. Which of the following is not correct regarding duties, powers and functions of IRDAI? In the previous question, all was correct. Again, those basic things आप एक बार देख के चलना, ठीक है? Because again, अगर आप trend देखोगे, you will be having seen that they are asking questions in that manner only. तो 3-4 स्टेटमेंट इस तरीके से प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं, एंड दे आर जस्ट आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम इंडिविजुअल रेगुलेटर्स वेबसाइट्स ओनली. नाबार्ड के मेंस में भी यही चीज़ हम लोग को देखने को मिली, इवन IFSC ऑल्सो. यू कैन हैव दिस अप्रोच. हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज E, अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ चेयरमैन ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, which is the responsibility of Financial Services Institutions Bureau. Next is, as per IRDAI Act, Insurance Advisory Committee shall consist of not more than how many members, excluding ex officio? What do you think is the correct answer? E, 25 is the correct answer. ये भी बहुत easy question है. How much FDI percentage has been permitted in insurance intermediaries, including insurance brokers, reinsurance brokers? %100%, ठीक है. 74% तो कंपनीज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में है. पृथ्वी, अग्नि, जल, आकाश, सभी सुरक्षा हमारे पास इज द टैगलाइन ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंश्योरेंस कंपनी? अगेन स्टैटिक इंफॉर्मेशन, ओरिएंटल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, ठीक है. बाकी सबकी भी टैगलाइन लिखी हुई है, आप लोग देख लेना. हेड ऑफिस ऑफ यूनाइटेड इंडिया इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज लोकेटेड एट वेयर? करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, चेन्नई. Which of the following is the global standard setting body for developing and assisting in the implementation of principles related to insurance sector? Yes, the correct answer is IAIS. This is International Association of Insurance Supervisors. How many insurance repositories are approved by IRDAI? Again, static information, very much important. कितनी repositories approve करी गई IRDAI के through? 4, which is NSDL, CDSL, CARVI as well as CAMS. Okay, please make sure that you remember the name of these 4, क्योंकि अगर क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे which among the following are not one of the repositories of insurance sector, एक अलग से एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शन दे देंगे और पूछ लेंगे कि कौन सा इनकरेक्ट है. तो आप लोग अगर कार्वी का नाम नहीं किसी ने सुना होगा तो वो मार के आ जाएगा, तो फिर गलत हो जाएगा, है ना. प्लीज मेक श्योर यू रिमेंबर ऑल 4 नेम्स एज वेल. नेक्स्ट इज, ये भी सिंपल है, वो कर ही रखा हम लोगों ने. इंश्योरेंस फॉर ऑल बाय 2047. So IRDAI has taken various steps with respect to providing a favorable regulatory environment. So as part of this, 37 regulations have been consolidated into how much? From 1st April 2024. The correct answer is B, 7. Okay, so 7 regulations and additional 2 new regulations. 37 says 7. And remember it via the 7 in 37. Then 2 further regulations were also notified. And it remains the same. LIC, GAC, New India, systematically important insurers. Next is, as per IRDA, every insurer at all times shall maintain a control level of solvency or solvency ratio of how much percentage? Again, we've discussed the same thing previously, कि solvency ratio कितना रहेगा, which is 1.50 or you can say 150%. Okay. The minimum paid up capital requirement for registration as a general insurance business will be or is how much? Yes, the correct answer is E, 200 crores. Again, very much essential to remember all these things कि life insurance के लिए minimum paid up capital आपको चाहिए 100 करोड़. अच्छा, जनरल इसमें ऑप्शन मिस्टेक है. 100 crores is the correct answer over general insurance as well. Reinsurance business में आपको चाहिए 200 crore का paid up capital. Next is, currently insurance ombudsman is available in how many locations? The correct answer is C. In 17 locations, the insurance ombudsman is available. 17 offices of insurance ombudsman. ठीक है, और insurance ombudsman के offices के अलावा all those regulations that we've already provided to you in context of insurance, IRDA circulars, तो उसमें फिर आपको वो पता है 30 दिन का resolution time period, non-implementation of insurance ombudsman will you have to pay 5,000 per day to the complainant. Next is, insurance ombudsman can entertain complaints where the quantum of loss payable under the insurance policy does not exceed how many lakhs? पीआईबी में जो नेशनल न्यूज़ कैबिनेट की कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ या प्राइम मिनिस्टर की कोई इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ वो थोड़ी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होगी, बट ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंट एज कंपेयर टू पीआईबी. है ना? So yes, the correct answer over here is E, 50 lakh rupees. Next is, complainant can lodge with the Office of Insurance Ombudsman within how many days from the date of rejection of the complaint by insurance company. So again, we've already seen this before. 1 year is the correct answer. Complaint can be lodged within 1 year from date of rejection of the complainant, expiry of 1 month of filing the complaint if the insurance failed to reply. An executive council of insurers shall be established under the insurance ombudsman rule. Executive council shall comprise of how many members, including the chairperson? Is the correct answer is C, 9. ठीक है, चलिए. Next is, in case the complaint is not attended to within how many days of registration, you may approach the insurance ombudsman. Again, very simple question. 15 days के अंदर you can go to ombudsman. Again, next is, life insurance companies have to invest minimum how much percentage of total investment in central government securities. These are investment rules and regulations provided by IRDAI. The correct answer is 25%, not 25. E, 50%. So mandatory investment in life insurance businesses, minimum of 50% to be invested in central state government securities, out of which 25% central. हाँ सही है, 25% ही होगा. 50% टोटल आप कर सकते हो सेंट्रल और स्टेट, 25% to be for central government. So C is the correct answer. Yes. चलिए, what do we call reinsurer of the reinsurance company? अगेन कंसेप्ट से, ठीक है, रेट्रोसेशन को कहते हैं हम लोग, जब आप इंश्योरेंस का दोबारा इंश्योरेंस कराते हो, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल री इंश्योरेंस. तो फिर वो रिस्क को फर्दर और किसी री इंश्योरर के पास भेजता है. दिस होल प्रोसेस इज व्हाट वी कॉल रेट्रोसेशन. As per IRDAI micro insurance regulation, the sum assured under an insurance product offering life or pension or health benefit shall not exceed how much? The correct answer is C, 2 lakh rupees. Okay, चलिए. Next is, as per IRDAI Saral Suraksha Bima, which one of the following statement is not correct regarding it? So here the correct answer is E, because the minimum sum assured is 2.5 lakh, not 1 lakh rupees, and the maximum is 1 CR. The rest all things remain the same. With respect to Arogya Sanjeevani policy, which of the following is not correct? Yes, the correct answer is A, because the maximum age of entry is 65 years, not 70 years. Rest remains the same. In context of Saral Jeevan Bima, which of the following is not correct? Is it the minimum age, minimum term, sum, maturity, waiting period? What is incorrect? The incorrect statement is C, because minimum sum assured is 5 lakh, not 2 lakh rupees. In Saral Jeevan Bima, which is a non-linked, non-participating individual pure risk premium life insurance plan. Again, as per IRDAI standard policy, Saral pension, which of the following statement is not correct? The correct answer for here is A, 16 year, maximum is 80 years. So again, usually whenever the examiner makes such type of questions, तो थोड़े facts में इधर उधर कर देगा. You can focus on those areas primarily. All insurers having unclaimed amounts of policy holders for a period of more than how many years? Then every year have to transfer the same to the senior citizen welfare fund. Yes, E is the correct answer. 10 years. 10 years के बाद they'll be shifting your money to the senior citizen welfare fund. Now tell me, what about Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? Which of the following is not correct? ठीक है, यहाँ तो मैं आपके लिए हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ नॉट करेक्ट, बट ओवर इन द एग्जामिनेशन प्लीज डू फोकस ऑन सच की टर्म्स, क्योंकि आईबीपीएस में वो आपको बोल्ड करके नहीं देता, विच दे यूजुअली डू इन सिविल्स, तो ये मिस मत करना. नाउ प्लीज डू द करेक्ट आंसर, और इन दिस केस इनकरेक्ट. तो यस, ई इज द करेक्ट आंसर, क्योंकि कोई लिमिट नहीं है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द फैमिली मेंबर. Tell me, which of the following hears and disposes of appeals against order passed by Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India? Where do you go if you do not like what IRDAI has provided as a judgment? Yes, the correct answer is Securities Appellate Tribunal. As per IRDAI, investment up to how much percentage of the paid up capital by single investor will now be treated as investor, and investments over and above that will only be treated as promoter. बेसिकली एक थ्रेशोल्ड बना दी कि इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में अगर आप इतना इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तब तक तो आप इन्वेस्टर रहोगे, उसके पार गया आप अगर आपका स्टेक, यू विल बी कॉल्ड एज प्रमोटर. व्हाट इज दैट लाइन? 25% is the correct answer. Well done. Next is, as per IRDAI, the maximum number of tie-ups for corporate agents and insurance marketing firms have been increased. Now a corporate agent can tie up with how many insurers, and marketing firms can tie up with how many insurers? Correct answer is A. कॉर्पोरेट एजेंट्स के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में 9 एंड फर्म्स के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में 6. Now brokers registered with IRDAI are necessarily required to be the members of which association? Yes. First simple सा question है, Insurance Brokers Association of India. What is the GST on term plan insurance policy? Again very controversial. Term plan में तो चलो controversial क्या है, health insurance में controversial है, but nevertheless tell me what's the GST on term plan insurance? It's also the same, which is 18%. ठीक है, health में तो reduce करने की बात कर रहे हैं, so we'll see the changes will be there. With respect to life insurance premium, the maximum tax deduction which is allowed under section what is 1.5 lakh rupees? The correct answer is 80C. Okay. So apart from this 80C, also remember this 1.5 lakh rupees limit. ये दोनों चीजें आपके लिए फिर important हो जाती हैं. The principle of what requires anyone seeking insurance to disclose all relevant facts? Yes, the correct answer is principle of utmost good faith. तो उसमें साफ साफ बोला जाता है ना, when you are buying any insurance policy, make sure you disclose everything, especially with respect to medical conditions, so that बाद में फिर rejection का scope ना रहे. So this is the basic principle that we follow. The person who identifies, examines and classifies the degree of risk represented by proposed insured in order to determine whether or not coverage should be provided, what do we call? Yes, the correct answer is underwriters. Okay. So till now we have done IRDAI major core insurance awareness related questions. अब इसके बाद हम लोग थोड़ा general awareness पे चलेंगे, where we'll be focusing on general GK questions. So that I will be going a little bit faster. Okay. So let's start with those also. चलिए, वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे is celebrated on October 10 every year. What is this year's theme? Again, a simple question. Mental health at work is the correct answer. Okay, make sure you remember October 10 as well as mental health at work. Which Indian cricketer has joined America's National Cricket League ownership group that will boost this sport in the United States? Yes, the correct answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Again, next question. Recently, Mark Rutte took over as the 14th Secretary General of NATO. He was previously the Prime Minister of which country? Yes, a very simple question. Correct answer is Netherlands. ठीक है, अभी वहाँ के प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे. Recently, Claudia Sheinbaum was sworn in as the first female president of which country? Yes, Tripti, correct. Mexico is the correct answer. D. Recently, the government of India has selected 3 external members for reconstituted Monetary Policy Committee of RBI. Which among the following are the correct names? जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट नॉमिनेट करती है, ठीक है, उनके लिए 3 नॉमिनेट किए. The following is the correct answer. Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Saugata Bhattacharya, Ram Singh and Nagesh Kumar. Jayant Verma was already there. Ashima Goyal was also previously there and Shashanka Bhide was there. So please make sure that you remember both RBI members as well as central government nominated members. Tell me, the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics has been awarded to Hopfield and Hinton for foundation discoveries and inventions related to what? इस पे तो कंट्रोवर्सी भी हुई है, तो आप लोग को पता भी होना चाहिए कि फिजिक्स का प्राइज इस बार किसको मिल गया. अगेन अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी चली थी ना कि एआई वालों को दे दिया प्राइस. सो सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर, आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स. Next, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine has been awarded to scientist Victor Ambros and Carey for their discovery of microRNA. They belong to which country? Yes, correct. US is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay? They both belong to. Again, also, if you must be following news, who have been recently awarded Dada Saheb Phalke Award in October 2024? Yes, Mithun Chakrabarti is the correct answer. Well done. Next is, which university is the top Indian university as per Times Higher Education World University Ranking 2025. What do you think is the correct answer? Yes, IISc is the correct answer. Indian Institute of Science. This institute was also, amongst the top university in NIRF ranking. So you can remember from that aspect also. And University of Oxford was the top university as per Times ranking. Next is recently Ministry of Panchayati Raj as well as Unnat Bharat Abhiyan collaborated to strengthen grassroots governance. Which is the National Coordinating Institute for Unnat Bharat Abhiyan? So yes, IIT Delhi is the correct answer for this. This is the National Coordinating Agency for Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, Ministry of Education scheme. Recently, which country becomes the first G7 nation to shut down all coal power plants? Don't worry, सारे ही G7 है. मैंने option ऐसे नहीं रखे जो आप eliminate कर पाओ. But nevertheless, please try to do. What do you think is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B, UK. Okay. Again, a very simple question. Union Cabinet approved the development of National Maritime Heritage Complex at? A very simple question. Lothal. So the Union Cabinet has approved the signing of letter of intent to enable India to join International Energy Efficiency Hub. So this international hub is a grouping of how many members? So the correct answer is 16. Okay. It's a 16-member group. The international. Please tell me which airport is planning to introduce India's first air train system by 2027. Yes, the correct answer is IGI Airport, New Delhi. Okay. Please tell me what is the outlay of the recently launched PM Electric Drive Revolution in Innovative Vehicle Enhancement PM E-Drives scheme. Yes, the correct answer is E, 10,900 crores is the outlay for this PM E-Drives scheme launched by the cabinet. So the time period for this scheme is up till 2026. So RBI has enhanced the per transaction limit of UPI 123 pay to how much in the recently Monetary Policy Committee highlights. So yes, the correct answer is 10,000 because previously it was 5,000. ठीक है, दोनों चीजें एक बार देख लीजिए. 123 पे को enhance करके they have increased it to 10,000. UPI Lite wallet limit increased to 5,000 and per transaction limit to 500. Which organization has secured the largest ever foreign currency term loan of US dollar 1.265 billion from banks in IFSC Gift City? Again, very simple question. Correct answer is PFC, Power Finance Corporation. Next is markets regulator SEBI has reduced the trading lot size of privately placed infrastructure investment trusts to how much? To boost investors' participation and increase liquidity of such investment. What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is D 25 lakh rupees, not 10 lakh rupees. ठीक है, ध्यान रखना इनवाइट्स के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ट्रेडिंग लॉट साइज की बात कर रहे हैं, दैट टू प्राइवेटली प्लेस्ड. Be very clear with respect to what exactly the question is asking you. The state-owned Life Insurance Corporation of India has reduced the first-year agent commission from 35% to how much following the revision of surrender value norms? So let's see what's the correct answer. Yes, 28% is the correct answer. Okay, that has been reduced from 35% to 28%. Okay, so these are the 100 questions that we've done today. कल भी मॉर्निंग में सेशन, रेस्ट ऑफ द 100 सेशन विल टेक, एंड फिर आप बाकी के जीए वहाँ से कर लेंगे. ठीक है, टिल नाउ एनी कंफ्यूजन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट यू गाइस फेस, प्लीज टेल मी, otherwise we'll wind up this session. PDF आदर्श आज ही मिल जाएगी. PDF we'll upload in the course today itself, all 200 questions. ठीक है, तो जो कोर्स में जिन्होंने एनरोल कर रखा है उनको these 200 questions they'll receive today only. See, 10 to 20 के रेंज में you can expect insurance related questions, and given the financial trend that has been there, है ना, तो फाइनेंस की तरफ इनका इंक्लिनेशन बढ़ ही रहा है, so you can expect insurance related questions. See, MK, whatever data that we have taken now, we have taken from IRDAI annual report. तो जो उन्होंने annual report बनाया वो तो पुराना बनाया हुआ है, तो अगर वो IRDAI annual report से questions बनाएंगे तो उसी हिसाब से बनाएंगे. But 2024 report का भी, we'll take some questions, don't worry, in tomorrow's session. Yes, Varun. So just with that, tomorrow we'll do some 100 questions more. You do these 200 questions for GA. So that will revise your general awareness comprehensively, because we've covered annual report, economic survey, insurance static, IRDAI static, normal general awareness, and other sessions also. Yes, Mohit, definitely. Anything else? चलिए कल मिलते हैं, ठीक है, for the next session. Thank you guys for joining. We'll meet in the next session.